General elections were held in Pakistan on Wednesday, 25 July 2018, to elect the members of National Assembly and the 4 provincial assemblies. In the National Assembly elections, the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf received the most votes and won the most seats. At the provincial level, the PTI remained the largest party in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. The Pakistan People's Party retained its dominance in Sindh, and the newly formed Balochistan Awami Party emerged as the largest party in Balochistan. In Punjab, the result was a hung parliament with the Pakistan Muslim League winning the most seats. However, after several independents MPAs joined the PTI, the latter became the largest party and was able to form a government. Opinion polling prior to the campaign's starting had initially shown leads for the Pakistan Muslim League over the PTI. However, from an 11-point lead, the PMLN's lead began to diminish in the final weeks of the campaign, with some polls close to the election showing the PTI with a marginal but increasing lead. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.